Hello, here we go. Another unboxing video from me. This time I received my first Alexandra Renke subscription box. This is a while ago, but I didn't get around because of job and other commitments to make this video. I'll just go through the items one by one. Right on top is the paper napkins. The background is a kind of kitchen towel design, and the design itself is a watercolored cow that shows all the different cuts of beef. The next item is a really nice string that is made up of 100% cotton. It's a Japanese product. The name is Ito Tsome Jima. I'm not sure of the pronunciation. And it's 100% cotton. The cotton itself is cotton color, white, and embellished with red and black paint to give it a very, very nice structure. Really love that one. Then we have some bast. I looked it up and it says it's the same thing in German as it is in English. Bast, it's a natural fiber that we use for wrapping or tying together anything. And here we have the next things to tie together, some strings. The black and the red are rubber bands, and the grey one is a cotton cord that almost feels like leather, and I'm guessing that you could make a danidori or a traveler journal with these strings. I've not done this before, but it's a very good thing to have, and I'm sure I'm going to use it soon. So the next items are skewers, obviously to go with the barbecue subject. And here are some paper bags that you're supposed to put chips or fries, as you would say in the US, into. Moving right along, we have the stamp set, and it's a clear stamp set with different outlines of the animals, cow, pig, and lamb. It has little stamps of the cuts alongside things like the knife and the barbecue tongs, alongside some words saying barbecue, meat, grill, 100%, and some arrows. The stamp quality is very good, and the stamp set is called Gourmet Tiere, or Gourmet Animals in English. Next up, we have a little packet with sequins. They are black and white. The white ones are iridescent, and some cardstock that's in red. I guess it's a Alexandra Renke cardstock. And here we have some envelopes that are DIN lang, and the sizes are 22 by 11 centimeters, which is 8.5 by 4.25 inches. Next up is some black cardstock. Here's an instruction leaflet on how to make cards incorporating the different cardstocks and the string. I didn't understand it at first because I thought it was an explanation of the content, but that's what it is. And here we have the pattern paper in 12 by 12, which is 30 by 30 centimeters. And I must say the quality of the card or the pattern paper from Alexandra Renke is absolutely top. I really love the feel of the paper, and here we go. It's the same picture as on the napkins. And here we have a lamb that's also marked with the cuts and a little barbecue at the top. Here's a pig, also marked with the cuts. And then we have the barbecue itself with some shrimps and a glove and pattern that's a bit like fabric, and some words. Grillgut means barbecue items, and here we have the pattern paper that you could cut up to use as different sentiments or focal points in your layout, or you can use it as a layout, of course. And it has different things that are kind of humorous, saying things like Grillmeister, Grillmaster. And next up is little prints of the outlines, again with the cuts marked inside. And here's a beautiful one that's corn painted in watercolors and also onions. The watercolor images are really beautiful. When I first saw the contents of this box, I was not quite sure. I was not happily overwhelmed, I should say, because the subject matter of this kit is barbecue and cooking, so it didn't quite hit the nail on the head with me. But I have warmed up to it, and actually I really love the high quality items that I received in this subscription box. I think it's really worth the money, and I look forward to my next subscription. So thank you for watching. I hope you did find this interesting and helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel to see upcoming projects and unboxings that I still have in the pipeline, and hopefully I'll get around to filming and editing it soon. So until then, take care and thank you. Bye for now.